plus the broadcast and 225 clustered precincts for the candidates to run for mayor in the elections held in May 12, 2025. Attached to and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precincts garnered by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Xiao Frederick NP gathered 74,400 the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected mayor of Iligan City, Lone District. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures when in fact or number in this city this May 13, 2025 at 2 o'clock and 18 minutes in the afternoon. Signed, yours truly, Attorney Analisa Tiparino as chairperson, Attorney Abdul Gafur Madki Howard M. Alonto, Vice Chairperson, Jonathan S. De La Peña, Member, Secretary.
Congratulations, Mr. Mayor. May I call back to the stage, to the room?